In this video, I'll show you how to use the recrawl feature in AI Assist to keep your information up to date. These steps apply to desktop and laptop users only. The recrawl feature allows AI Assist to refresh its knowledge of your website. This helps it stay updated on your products, services, and content, so it can give accurate answers to your customers at all times. This feature is available only on the Growth, Business, and Enterprise plans. To get started, go to your tawk.to dashboard. Click Add-ons in the side navigation. Under AI Assist, click Settings. Then select your AI agent. From there, click Data Source. Then choose Website. Click Auto Update Schedule to open the recrawl settings. On this page, set your recrawl schedule by selecting the time zone, hour, and day. Make sure your schedule matches your plan's allowance. With the Growth plan, AI Assist recrawls once per day. With the Business plan, it recrawls every 12 hours. With the Enterprise plan, it recrawls every hour. Recrawling is not available on the Hobby plan. You'll also see an option called Override Manual Edits. If this is enabled, AI Assist will replace any manual changes you've made to website text. If it's disabled, AI Assist will keep and prioritize your manual edits. Once everything looks correct, double-check your settings and click Save. If you only need to update a specific page, you can manually recrawl individual URLs directly from your website data source. By enabling the recrawl feature, you make sure AI Assist always has the latest information. This helps it respond more accurately and deliver better customer support every time. For more tutorials, visit the AI Assist Academy or book a call with our AI Assist specialists.